Hello everyone. I hope everyone is fine and happy and living up to their life. Everyone is enjoying what they want. Things have changed, everything have changed. You know, people are not sure these days what is good and what is bad. So like social media has been influencing them in different aspects of life. They are very much interested in anyone's personal life. They want to take everything out of it. A small detail happening in someone's life is their personal agenda these days. So we miss compassion, we miss kindness. I guess that is one thing we are missing as of now. My idea to speak today is about something which I passionately believe, and I guess everyone should. That is hope. I guess this pandemic has taught us that one thing that we always forget in life, or take things for granted and miss, is hope. Hope is something which gives you a sense of credibility that yes, you are worth enough. Hope is something that treats you, or teaches you actually that you need to be patient enough to get things going. So when this pandemic started, everyone started to lose their hope. I'm not sure that how it has affected the minds of the people. We've seen a recent uh, collapse as well, just due to the unwillingness of mind to be stable. But I guess we as a human being are full of emotions, and emotion is something we take very proudly, but there are some emotions which we normally cling to. I don't know, that we are very full of sometimes anger, sadness. So these are the emotions which we normally get into when things get hyped up, or situations are not going in our own way. I guess that is where hope comes in. Actually, hope has to be in every situation. If the situation is good, we have to hope it to be much better than good. If it is bad, we hope it to be good. So that is hope where comes in. Hope, the byproduct is always patience. If you have patience and you're doing your ethical work, hope is the only thing that you can stick to. And hope helps you in a lot of things. If you're hopeful enough that things will get better, you're also kind enough as well, and you also feel compassionate about other human beings. You feel generosity towards other people. So that is one thing. I am not a philosopher, I'm not a motivational speaker, I'm not someone you would like to listen to. That is something that is available over the internet. So my idea is that is only one thing which I want people to understand is stick to hope. Hope gives you power, you know a power which you can proudly believe in, a power which has the tendency to change people's lives. I guess that is what matters. We can change people's lives. The major part is we can add value to their life. If you have hope for things to get better, hope that everything will be good, hope that you are in good health and everything, it tends to change people's minds as well. So you see people with a different viewpoint because you have hope for yourself. You tend to have hope for everyone else as well. That is where everything aligns. So however bad the influence is, however bad the surrounding is, however horrified the news is, stick to hope. I can assure you, hope will get you through. Hope is something that will give you a sense of passion. Hope is something that will give you, you know, to live for others. Hope is something that drives you enough that you want to stay alive and you want to be a part of this world and be a part of the change in the world. You know, stick to hope, love others, love yourself first. That is the, I guess, the utmost priority. You know, but stick with hope. Hope will get you through. Hope will show you mountains you have never been before. Hope is the only thing that will help you out in every way possible. This is my first audio clipping which I have just recorded. You know, I was very hesitated enough to be a part of such situations, but now as I have stick to something which I'm saying to you guys, I guess I can start off by just not revealing the video but just being a part of the audio section and helping each other out. That is one thing we can do. So I hope you guys will try to understand how hope can help. Any queries, anything, you can comment down as well. I hope you will be, looking forward for my new audios, and we'll be coming up with something new. But for today, it's hope. Hope the world is beautiful. Actually, it is. It will be more beautiful when it comes out of this pandemic. Take care, guys. Do subscribe and hope for the best.